today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, huge emergency for Bitcoin. A big wick towards the downside came, liquidated long positions, and everyone is of course asking, are we going to finally find this long-awaited big retracement towards the downside to a price target I am going to mention in this video? Or are we going to see another fake out yet to wreck all the shorters and Bitcoin finally going higher to the other price target, which of course I want to mention as well. I want to tell you exactly what I believe is going to happen for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, and for the whole cryptocurrency space. If you are holding any crypto right now, this video is for you, dear ladies and gentlemen. And I want to urge you to not only like, follow, subscribe, very importantly, leave your favorite altcoins down below. If this Bitcoin dip continues, of course altcoins are going to follow, and I want to make sure that we are here to catch the dip. Leave your comments down below and like if you want in the, an up-and-coming altcoin video in the future. Now, first of all, let's look at the Bitcoin price. We are looking at the 12-hourly candles, and I want to start on the 4-hourly. And even on the 4-hourly, you can see we got this crazy dip towards the downside. I mean, guys, just look at it. Everyone who was longing on the top basically witnessed an exact 10% down dip to the downside. This alone already speaks for maybe that was just a liquidation wick, that everyone who joined on the top on a 10x leverage just completely got liquidated here. But of course, I want to tell you exactly how we can make sure that this is going to happen and that we are getting this break towards the upside again. Let's talk about that. First of all, I wanted to mention that this 4-hourly candle is not all too bad. We are seeing a beautiful wiki on the downside, at least showing that the bulls are showing some kind of strength for Bitcoin. Same thing goes when we are going on the 12-hourly candle, the big wick here on the downside, which is going to end in like 5-6 hours. And then if we are going over to the daily candle, then you can see again. So if we are getting bought up here within the next 5-6 hours, maybe you're watching this after this candle has closed, then of course we are seeing a beautiful inverse empire if the closure is getting a little bit higher, maybe around the $44,000 areas, and that would be very bullish. However, no matter what happens, no matter how we close this candle, it is important for Bitcoin on the daily to hold this support. The support being around 42,000. 42,000 must be held by the daily candle. If we are breaking 42,000 towards the downside, closing below, getting volume support, that is the moment I am looking for the price target of $38,500 to $38,000. I mentioned it earlier. And yes, guys, I am still in my Bitcoin trade, in my Ethereum trade as well. Let me quickly show you these trades here, and you can see the Bitcoin trade is still raking in $3 million in a profit. The Ethereum trade still $300,000 in a profit. This is long-term trades actually for Bitcoin. I am not planning to close them just because of a wick towards the downside. I am actually keeping them open. And in fact, as long as we are not breaking the support, we are still in this bullish bias for Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin breaks $44,000, yes, this is when I'm looking at $48,500 as the next price target for Bitcoin. Be very careful, especially with long positions on altcoins right now. Of course, even if you are catching the dip, it can always go lower. On altcoins, it's very, very dangerous and very risky. It is a non-trading zone unless we are not breaking support or resistance. If you want to be trading, as I am doing over on Bybit as well, you can find a $60,000 free bonus down below in the pinned comment in the video description. Click register deposit, takes like 15-20 seconds, and you can claim up to $60,000 for free. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.